for this whole bitch. They gonna back the whole traffic up. Fuck that. I ran out of gas, bitch. All y'all gonna feel this. You ain't on that shit. That real nah. This Leona came back through and ripped it. Well, you a good Samaritan, motherfucker. Huh? I got something better than your picture. You could be on my line. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Well, you did that. You driving the Lambo, so you know to get 93. Yeah. Okay.
Of course, 93 and everything.
Okay.
Yeah, can you take a picture?
Yeah, y'all need gas money, man. Let's grab. Fuck with you, man.
Alright, come on.
Let's grab. Got me.
Thank you. Take a picture.
Milk is not. That's not Z, bro.
Thank you.
That's Z right there. That's Z. You see how Gunna and them talking about P and all that shit? That's Z right there. How you just played? What you just did for me? That's Z, bro. Yeah, that's Z. Oh, baby girl, unsense. She pregnant out here. I can touch it.
Yes, baby girl.
Oh, it's a girl. Oh, what you about? 3-4 months?
I'm 6.
Ooh. 6. I got a little girl coming too. She about to be here this month. In a few days, baby.
Aww.
Yeah.
You be running out of gas, though. I know.
Man, bro, I be telling this girl every time she beef with me, bro, this shit just be fucked up, homie. Like, bitch, come on, bro. I'm about to shoot somebody tonight, bro. Yeah, that's Z.
Should be good right there.
Huh?
It should be good right there.
Facts.
You want this thing?
I'm good. I'm good. I appreciate you. They say that car ain't Z. That car is Z. Man, god damn it, boy. I appreciate you, boy. Yeah, you did that.
Yeah.
Y'all fuck with buddy. What's your name, Mill, right there?
Blanco.
Oh, Blonde. That boy Blonde.
Yeah.
That boy Blonde.
Yeah.
That real nigga shit, bro. Cause you ain't have to. You jeweled up. You eating real good. You ain't got to. You say fuck a nigga. Go ahead and bust your cheek.
You don't want?
I purposefully waved this motherfucker down.
Yeah, I got you.
We were riding, what was going on, but then our boy told us in McLaren, he said y'all broke down, so we turned back around, got some gas.
Oh, your dog in the McLaren say, man, that's yike. Damn, man, what you call?
Yeah.
Bro, you want to see a possum? Bro, there's a possum right there, stinking in the bitch, homie. Hey, hold up. I just ran out of gas. I'm still mad. Pumped up. I beat somebody up. Man, come smell this motherfucker. A jet nigga. I roll over one of you bitch ass niggas. I wish I was the one who smacked this bitch. Y'all gone. Alright, love, man. But y'all see this car, man, blow some kisses at it. You heard? Yo. Alright, for sure. Alright, y'all, love. Yup. Get out the way, yo. Despacito, what's up, baby? What's up? Yeah. Bang, 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 bang. Come on, where the music at? Bang, 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 Despacito.
Let's go to Centros. There's bitches there.
Centros?
Yeah. Right there, papi.
That's Z?
Kodak is my dog, man.
Right here. The right here. I ain't talking crazy, y'all. I ain't gonna do nothing to nobody tonight.
All right. Have a good
Not
night, bro.
tonight.
Nice to meeting you.
All right, love you. I'm on hermano. You my hermano. Where you from?
Honduras, bro. Honduras. From Honduras.
Honduras?
Yeah.
Okay, me too. Yo, all right, love. Where you better go at? Huh? Me too. Baby, slime right now. Hey! Jump right in front of people. Hey! Huh? Hey, y'all want to smell a possum? Y'all want to see a possum?
Yes.
It's right there, it's right there, it's right there, it's right there.
Say what's good.
Look, it's right there, right there. Look it up, look it up. The possum right there. That whole stink as fuck too, you hear me? That bitch right there. Come look at it. Direct traffic, holding up traffic, and we can hit bikes. That's a little baby right there, boy.
Oh. Yeah.
Ah, yo.
On a good day.
Huh?
You want a picture?
Hey, y'all should